Hello everyone, what's going on everybody? So basically today in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually automate your hybrid animal YouTube shorts channel and generate videos in just one click. So basically this will help you to gain the leverage on the trend that is currently going on YouTube, and then you can easily get millions of subscribers in just few months using this particular system. And currently I'm using this system for one of my hybrid animal channel, and currently I got around 30,000 subscribers in just 1 month, right? So you can imagine the potential this particular system has. So if you are interested in knowing how to use the system, how to get the system, and how you can like up and running the system within just one click, stay tuned in this video, because in this video I'm going to show you each and everything. Again, I'm going to explain this system fully, and then after that you can get the system for free, absolutely free, without any cost. So yeah, if you're excited, watch this video entirely, and then yeah, so okay, let's get started. So basically this system will like help you to create this prompt, image prompt for like the single animal and then the hybrid animal using Anthropic Cloud, and then from there onwards we'll also like create an image for single animal and the hybrid animal using this prompt that we have created here, right? From this prompt. And then once we generate the image, then we are storing all of that image in here in the add table. So basically this is our add table base, where like let's say if you just need to add the two animal name here, and then if you just click on this particular flow will trigger, and then it will create an images for you, right? So yeah, that's the first thing. And the second thing is like the creating the video out of those image, that too automatically. So basically once the images are generated, what you need to do is you just need to click on this generate video button, and then this particular flow will trigger, and then it will create a video using this particular software called Creatomat. So I will also show you how to set up the template in Creatomat, so that you can create thousands of videos at just 2 clicks, right? So this is the full system that will like going to change your life in 2024 and going forward in 2025 as well. So like I hope this is something really helpful, and it's something that you want from a long time. So yeah, let's get into the system, understand each and everything from the technical point of view, and then we'll also see how to set up the template in the Creatomat in the end of the video. And then in the end I'll also tell you like how you can get this blueprint totally free, right? So yeah, okay, so now let's understand each and everything one by one. So basically the first step in this particular system is setting up a webhook. So before we do that, the first thing that we need to do is like creating an addable base. So basically I'm also going to give you this base as a template for totally free without any cost. So yeah, so first of all, just come over to Airtable. Like if you are not habitual of using Airtable, just go to Airtable, sign up for account, and then create a new base. And then here it's just like a Google Sheet but on steroid. So yeah, so basically just create this animal 1, animal 2, then this button column, then all of this column. So basically you don't need to create each and anything, because I'm going to give it to you for free, right? So once you create this base, what you need to do is you just need to add this two animal, right? So first of all, before we do that, let me show you how everything is working. So once you add those two animals and then click on the image prompt here, right, then this particular flow will trigger basically. And then once it's triggered, it will try to fetch all the records from the newly added records from the table, right? And then it will pass all of this data, pass the row data in which you have created. Click on this button. Let's say if you click on second row button, it will pass all the data that has been there in the second row to this image prompt. Right now let's see what kind of prompting we have done in the Anthropic Cloud. So basically it will tells AI to generate an prompt for creating separate images of animal 1 with intent and dark background. Both of these animals are standing tall, facing camera with closer look, and on the mountains on the top of the hills. Final output must not include anything except prompt, right? So again, this final line is very important, because sometimes this AI tools gives you additional text with the outputs that we don't want, right? Otherwise the image generation will be messed up. So yeah, that's the image prompt 1. Again, the second one is also like the same, with just animal 2 input, right? And then the hybrid one. So basically hybrid one is a little bit different. So what we are doing is like we are we are telling AI to generate a prompt for creating hybrid image that combine both the animal, that create hybrid animal out of this both animal. This hybrid animal should standing tall, facing camera with closer look on the mountain on the top of the hills. And then again, this is the similar thing, right? So this is the prompting. Again, I'll also tell you like why we have added this break error handler at each stage, right? And then once the prompts are generated, what we are doing is we are creating a variable for each and every prompt. So for animal 1, this is the variable. This is the variable name, animal 1, animal 2, and then hybrid animal, so that we can then put everything separately in the 3 different ChatGPT image generation model, basically, not the prompt. So yeah, right. So again, here we don't need to do anything. We just need to add this prompt like animal 1, then animal 2, and then hybrid animal in front ChatGPT module. Again, here we are using DALL-E 3, right? And this is, I think, really this generating a really cool and high quality images. And in my opinion, like I think you don't need Midjourney and everything. So kind of a expensive software or tool, right? So again, if you don't know how to connect, how to get this model up and running and everything, I think you should watch my other videos on my channel where like I have already talked about how to add a connection to OpenAI, then how to add credits and how to like get the API keys and everything. So I think I already have covered that in my some other videos. So you can watch those videos, or else like what I can do, I will pin. I will like give a link of those videos in the description box below, so they can watch it from there. So yeah. Then once we generate an image, now the next thing is like we are adding all of those images, like images one, animal two, and then hybrid animal in the table, right? So basically, if you can see, yeah, this is the image URL. This is the URL, right? From here, we are adding the URL, right? So yeah, so that's how the first image generation flow is working. Now let's talk about this error handler. So basically, because all of these are like the third party tool, like Anthropic Cloud or this ChatGPT, and then we don't have control over how they are going to work, when they are going to stop working and everything. So that's why we are what we are doing is like we are actually uh, adding an error handler to each of these modules, so that let's say if any of these modules stop working, this error handler will try to reattempt try to reattempt to execute those module at least 3 times, right? Max to max 3 times. So let's say, for example, for any given instance, this module stop working due to like server error and everything. It will again try to execute, and every 3 minutes it will try to execute for max to max 3 times. Use of this error handler, and this is like very very handy. So yeah, so that's all about this particular system. So now let's run this system. So basically, let me add two animal, eagle, not eagle. Okay, elephant and dog. Okay, yeah. This is really really weird combination, I would say. Let me do this. Yeah, let's run it once and then click on this image prompt. Yeah. Okay, so system has started running again. Let me check what's the problem. Okay. Okay, I think model sonnet. Okay, I think we forgot to select the model, or I think it's some sort of error. But yeah, let's run it again. Click on this image prompt. Yeah, so now it is up and running very smoothly, and then we just need to wait for a couple of minutes to generate an image for all of these three, like animal one, animal two, and then a hybrid animal. And once the images are generated, it will then store all of those images into Airtable here, right? So just like this, it will store it here. So image generation will take some time, maybe I think a couple of minutes per image. So we need to wait for some time and be patient with it. So yeah. So I think yeah. So now all of those images are generated and then stored into a table. So now let's look at those images. So yeah, these are the images. So and of course the quality of the images are like very very high quality, right? So you can see images are pretty much good. We can use these images into our video, right? So yeah, this is the dog image. Again, it's quite dark because I think we have trained prompt in a way that we want and dark images of this animal, right? And then let's look at the hybrid one. I'm like very very excited to look at this because I think this is very very interesting. So yeah, oh man, this is really really cool. I think this looks like okay. I think this looks like a really good picture of like hybrid of dog and elephant. It's very weird to see this, but again, this is what it is, right? So yeah. Now the images are now that the images are already created. Now the next step is like to generate a video using these images, right? So for that, this is the second part of the system where we are going to generate this video, right? So for that, let's say once the images are generated, and if you just click on this button, generate video, this particular flow will trigger, this webhook is triggered, right? And then it will fetch the record from the Airtable, basically using the record ID from the webhook. And then there's a script. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the script for an voiceover. So basically we are also like adding voiceover, but again in this system the voiceover is not there. So basically we can do that using 11 labs or any sort of a voice over platform, the AI voice platform basically. Again for that, if you want to add a voiceover in these videos, just let me know in the comment section. So and then I'll and if you're interested in that, I will create another video on like how to add voiceover to this kind of videos, because I think without voiceover you cannot monetize your channel just based on the images, combining a couple of images, right? So yeah, then we are also like generating a YouTube title for our shorts, so that we don't need to like think about, hey, what should be the title of this video, what should be the description of this video and everything. So yeah, we are also like doing that through ChatGPT, and this is pretty much Anchor. Let's look at the prompt as well. So yeah, you are intelligent YouTube. So basically, the first step in every AI generated content is to define their role, and then we can create a prompt, we can give a prompt like your task with generating a captive title, viral tag generated based on the script, and then you see this pattern in all of my AI prompting, that final output must only include the title text and then two to three text and nothing else, right? So yeah, and then this is where like the real magic is happening, right? So basically, we this is a tool where you can set up the template, and then using the API of this tool, you can easily replace those templated variable through the actual images and the text and everything, right? So this is how you can basically do. So let me show you that tool as well. Create a mart. Yeah, I hope I remember the ID and password. Okay. Oh man, let me. Okay. So I think. Okay. So now I signed into my account. Again, this is not the same account that I'm using in the make.com, but yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can like set up the templates and everything, and how you can use this tool to basically create an video on autopilot mode. So yeah. So again, here you just need to come over here in the template section. Click on this get started. Click on the new one, and then you can use any of this template basically. Which one was mine? Okay, so I use this one, and then you can again you can select the ratio. Basically, let's say if you're creating a video for YouTube Shorts, the ratio would be this 9:16, and then click on this create template. And then now you can always, so basically, if you want, I can also like do a separate video on this tool, like how you can set it up this tool, then how you can integrate it to make.com and everything, right? But again, this is like really cool thing, right? So again, let's say here, if you want to replace this text in the make.com, what you need to do is like you just need to click on this little icon over here, like the dynamic icon. You just need to check this, right? And then you can use this as a variable in the make.com, and then you can replace any text with this, right? So with all the component, you can do that, right? So yeah, that's how you can create a template, and then you can use that template into in the make.com. So yeah, that's what exactly I do. So yeah, once you create a video, then you want to like store that video in the editable, and then the final step is like to post that video on YouTube. Again, I think this is for another video, because I think for this video, I'm just going to show you how you can create all of these videos at scale. So let's unlit this, and then yeah. So now it's time to run this scenario and then see what kind of video it generates. So yeah, just click on this run once. Click on this generate video button, right? And then yeah, our scenario started running, and then see sometimes it throws errors due to some this tool issues. But yeah, it is what it is. You can like, but it like rarely happens. So yeah, see, this kind of a thing always happens. Okay, so video has been generated. So let's see the video first. Okay. Yeah, so video is already, yeah, cool. Cool. So video is like pretty much cool. We can use this video in our YouTube Shorts. Again, this is the glimpse of what you can do. What you can do with the make.com systems and the automations. And hey, there you have it. If you found this video really helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more such videos, and then hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest videos. Now if you have any sort of a questions or any concerns, or like if you need more details on this video, just drop them in the comment box below, and then I will read through all the comments, and then we'll create a videos around that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.